Welcome to a unique architectural project designed to meet the needs of a young family in Indonesia. Designed by an architect for his own family. This home is just 3.5 meters wide and 17 meters long, offering 100 square meters of essential living space. It includes a master bedroom on the ground floor, living and dining areas, a kitchen, and laundry on the second floor. A perforated steel and polycarbonate facade filters sunlight, reducing heat and creating spectacular lighting effects throughout the day. These elements give the house a strong identity, making it an architectural icon in the neighborhood. The interiors feature wood as the primary material, bringing warmth and well-being, contrasting with the gray tones of concrete and subtle touches of greenery. The kitchen is compact and optimized, with a single counter that accommodates the stove, built-in refrigerator, and a small sink. Optimization is key to the design, with storage cleverly integrated into the furniture. Each piece discreetly organizes the family's belongings, maximizing the use of compact spaces. The use of wood creates visual unity throughout the interiors, seamlessly camouflaging storage spaces and allowing them to blend into the overall design. This narrow three-story house in a dense urban setting creates airy, open spaces within its compact footprint. The upper level features a combined studio, playroom and bedroom space for their child, with a rooftop providing city views. The staircase also serves as a space divider, allowing the child's bedroom to be playfully arranged in vertical blocks. The integration of furniture, stairs, and functional spaces reduces clutter, offering a compact, seamless living experience. The master suite is inspired by Indonesian culture, featuring low furniture and wood elements in both slatted and solid forms to allow light in while maintaining privacy. Vegetation at both ends of the room thrives on the humidity from the nearby bathroom, while rugs add warmth to the polished concrete floor. The home's minimalistic design prioritizes essentials over desires, questioning what is truly necessary. This home embodies adaptability and freedom, showcasing how compact city living can be reimagined. A new way to live in the city, compact, sustainable, and beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.